The Jubilee of Catechists ended over the weekend in Rome. It was the 26th major Jubilee event and brought together thousands of men and women dedicated to spreading the Word of God. EWTN Vatican journalist Bénédicte Cedergren has more on their work spreading the message of the gospel to the ends of the earth.
Catechist, a word that means to teach aloud, to make echo. Today, that mission echoes louder than ever across a world marked by uncertainty and confusion. As thousands of catechists gathered in Rome for the Jubilee of Catechists, Pope Leo reminded them of their vocation to transform lives by opening our hearts to the Word of God and to the face of our neighbor.
When
we teach the faith, we do not merely give instructions, but we place the word of life in hearts, so that it may bear fruits of a good life. To Deacon Deogratias, who asked him how to be a good catechist, St. Augustine replied, "Explain everything in such a way that the one who listens to you, by listening may believe, by believing may hope, and by hoping may love."
Speri, e sperando ami.
Pope Leo stressed that our first catechists are our parents and that the proclamation of the faith cannot be delegated to someone else. It happens where we live, above all in our homes, around the family table.
We're instruments of God in being able to introduce often sometimes the faith and or at least help children and parents, especially under family catechesis, to help the family unit as a whole encounter Christ over and over and over again through their child's development and through the family development. So it plays, I think, a central role in the evangelization of our fellow brothers and sisters and our faith.
After his homily, the Holy Father entrusted the ministry of catechist to 39 men and women, personally handing each one a crucifix as a sign of their mission. Among those was Catherine Miles Flynn, an American mother of 8 who has lived in the United Arab Emirates since 1995.
To be a catechist, first of all, begins in the house, begins in the home, with a mother and the father instructing their children to pray and showing an excellent witness as Christians themselves. But then in the greater community, it's good for the young people to come together to learn together about the faith.
More than 20,000 catechists from 115 countries traveled to Rome for the Jubilee event, filled with prayer, encounters, and reflection. And now they will return home, each to a different place, ready to live out their faith and the circumstances they face.
The role of the catechist is important in every time, in every place. In the United States especially, now we've had a real secularization of the culture, and to be able to work with young people and adults coming back to the faith and to pass on that faith to them, everything from knowledge to their practice of the faith to their interior lives and their relationships with Christ, with God, I think is a really important role.
At the end of the weekend, one message stood out. In a world searching for direction, the Church needs catechists who can help communities grow in faith, hope, and charity.
Catechesis is a vocation, it's a call that one hears from the Lord and then responds with generosity. So I would say to someone who's considering being a catechist, hear the Lord call you and then respond with generosity.
In Rome, Bénédicte Cedergren for EWTN News Nightly.